Jimmy, look what you did to yourself. You have now been jailed for fighting. How do you think our family is going to be treated?
I found myself beaten that stupid. He had messed me up, and I showed what I was carrying.
Imagine. Do you think fighting is the best way of solving problems, bro?
You have no idea. There are so many ways of getting out of each situation, Sam.
But, how many people do you know that got out of difficult situations like yours?
Let me tell you a story of clever cap seller. One day a poor cap seller was so tired that he went to sleep under a tree. While he slept, the monkeys opened his bundle of caps and wore them. When the cap seller awoke, he saw that the monkeys had stolen his caps. The cap seller shouted to monkeys, "Hey, those are my caps." The monkeys only grinned and shook their fists at him. That gave him a clever idea. He threw his own cap on the ground. All the monkeys then threw their caps on the ground. The cap seller smiled to himself, collected his caps and tied them up into his bundle again. So, there is always a way out of every difficulty. I'll get out of here sooner, my brother. Just go and entertain our YouTube subscribers.
Alright. I'll tell them to do subscribe on Dajua141 our YouTube channel.
Exactly. That's the only way to get me out of here. Hurry up.